They always tell us that if you choose beauty, you should not cry. But I'm telling you, every pain starts with one simple decision, and this is how mine started. I applied this to my face, expecting that this would go away as soon as possible. So my most affected areas are these ones. I guess that's why I've found myself starting off from there. I don't know if it's the cold here, but it feels cold on the skin. How to apply black charcoal peel off mask. How to peel it off. How can you peel it off without pain? It is about time we give it some time for it to give us time for the, so that when we peel it off, the pores and everything. Like the video. Tell me what's experience, because I'm washing. I've just washed the utensils, so I'm still waiting for it to dry up. As we continue waiting, since my food is ready, I can't really open my mouth. A little bit of script writing. Did a little bit of script writing as we waited for our black mask to dry. Oh, it's about time for the long-awaited moment. I can talk because you understand the strain that it usually have on one's face. It makes you like oh. I always hear that the best method to remove it is going upwards. But I wanna smile so that it can get off my face. I don't know if you can hear the sound. And then let me start with here the center. No, if you do not want to break it from the center, you can just go direct, pulling it to the top. Okay. This side is rather painful. Goodness. Okay. Wait. I'm telling you guys, guy. Huh? I think like I did this once. Please like this video, share it out, and we'll be progressing on me in my face. I'll be trying to get it better with time, so I'll be sharing tips here and there, hopefully. But for now, I think you can see the white pores. Most of them, they are out. I don't know if they can be seen on camera. You see, it can be seen. Yeah, I think it can be seen. You can see whitish. The whiteheads are out, not the white pores. With time, we are hoping for better results. Remember to watch my other uploads, like and share them out. This is the most honest guy. If you'd like to see my other tutorials and trials, click here. Click on this one.